Hello students, previously we learned about the state management options. Now we are going to learn about the comparison of the client side state management. We have three client side state management options. First one is the view state, second one is the query string, third one is the cookies, and fourth one is the hidden field. Okay, here we have a description column. Yes, that we compare in each and every state management options. First one is all data types. View state will support all type of serialized .NET data types. Yes, means you can also store data set, data table, and XML kind of thing. A query string, a limited amount of string data. Yes, data type is what? A limited amount of string data. So you have a limit that will be decided by the, or we can say fixed by the browser. So up to that particular you can transfer your data. Third one is the cookies. It can store the string data. Same way hidden field are also going to store the string data. Storage location. Hidden field are stored inside the current web page. Query strings are stored in the browser URL setting, और we can say URL के अंदर जो हमारा string बनता है that is our query string. Yes, so cookies are stored inside the client's computer, or we can say a small text file depending on its lifetime setting. Third one is the lifetime. View state retain permanently for post back to a single page. Yes. Query string lost when the user enter a new URL or closes the browser. Cookies, however, can be stored and can persist between visits set by the programmer. It can be used in multiple pages and it persists between visits. Scope. Okay, so what we learn about the inside the lifetime, that lifetime of the view state are retained, or we can say remain up to the single page. Query string का lifetime कब तक होगा? When the user close the browser or enter a new query string, तब तक उसका lifetime रहेगा. And cookies, it will depend on the setting of the cookies. If the cookie are set for the persistent cookie, or we can say for the specific date, then it will the lifetime of the cookie will be available to that particular date. After that date, the cookie will expire, and temporary cookie are expire when you close your browser. Now, scope limited to the current web page. View state's scope is limited to the current web page. Query string scope is the limited to the target page, or we can say next page. Up to the next page, query string scope is available. Cookies will be available the whole ASP.NET application. So cookie का वैल्यू आप किसी भी वेब पेजेस के अंदर से कर पाओगे. Security, we can say view state is tamper proof by default, but easy to read. You can use the page directive to enforce encryption. Means what? Basically by default it is a tamper proof, or we can say it is a more secure than the other type of state management or client side state management option. Yes, and we can say that you can also decrypt, or we can say encrypt your cookies information. Okay, so query string clearly visible and easy for the user to modify. Query string we can easily modified and easily visible, or we can say clearly visible. Cookies are, we can say, insecure and can be modified by the user, or it can be seen by the browser. Yes, and we can say hidden field. What are the security? we can say security up to the basically the any person can see the view we can say hidden field values. Okay, by viewing the page source information, hidden field value can be seen. Now next one is the performance. We can say implication of storing a large amount of information will slow transmission but will not affect server performance. Yes, means what? That if you store the large amount of data inside the view state will slow your transmission. Means what? That loading of the page will become slow, but it will not affect on the server performance. Query string, we can say none because amount of data is trivial. Means what? Trivial means what? Very less. Cookies, none because the amount of data is trivial. Same in the case of hidden field also. Now what are the typical use? We can say view state will use for the page specific setting. Yes, if you want to store the controls value or page specific values, then view state is we can say perfect state management option. Query string basically when we want to send some kind of information to the other page, then we use the query string. And third one, cookies. We can say personalization preferences for a website. Yes, it will depends on the website development programmer, or a programmer will decide that particular website require the cookie or not. Yes, so it will totally depend, or uses of the cookie is totally depend on the programmer and requirement of the website. And last one, that is a hidden field. Basically what are the typical use of the hidden field? We can say it can be used inside to calculate the JavaScript. Yes, hidden field के अंदर आप कोई भी वैल्यू स्टोर कर सकते हो आप, और उसको यहाँ पर कैलकुलेशन पर्पस के लिए यूज कर सकते हो. यस, या आपको कोई भी ऐसा वैल्यू वगैरह फैच करवाना है, एम्प्लॉय आईडी से रिलेटेड एम्प्लॉय नेम वगैरह डिस्प्ले करवाना है, बट एम्प्लॉय नेम वहाँ पर, एम्प्लॉय आईडी वहाँ पर इजीली डिस्प्ले नहीं होना चाहिए, वो हिडन रहना चाहिए. अगर आपको ऐसा कुछ भी सेटिंग करना है, देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली टेक द हिडन फील्ड. You can say normal user cannot see the hidden field, so he cannot get the idea that there can be a hidden value for this information. Yes, so you can also very vast use of the hidden field also.